I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light.
Oh my god. Get shit on. What the fuck? Come on now. How you gonna let me do that to you, boy? Yo, someone clip that. Oh shit. Alright, I got. Oh my god, dude. I'm so nutty on controller.
What is going on, guys? You know, your boy Justin back at it again on another video. Alright, so a lot of people were asking about, you know, the frames per second, how many frames per second you get on Rainbow Six and other games like that. Now, the only game I have so far is Rainbow Six and CSGO, so I'm gonna make my next two videos be about Rainbow Six and CSGO. So I'm gonna say how many frames you get on CSGO with the Alarco PC. Note that these are like default. By the way, these are all default parts. I didn't like upgrade my parts yet. You know what I'm saying? So this is all default. So this is for the people that bought this PC and the PC is working for them and it's not defective like mine. So anyways, so this is for you guys. Alright. Now on CSGO and Rainbow Six Siege, you should run everything on low. You don't need to run everything in high quality. You know what I'm saying? Like games like those, you don't need to play in high quality. You know, the only game that you need to play like high quality would be like Anthem. And I played Anthem, and the frames per second I got on Anthem was around like 90 to 80 because it is, you know, a bigger game. It's not like Rainbow Six. But in the very first clip that I have, it shows the settings that I run on low, and the amount of frames per second that I get is I get around like 100 to like 20. I think I maxed out at like 130 on Rainbow Six Siege, 130 on everything low. But when I stream, it goes to like 90. So, you know, so 120 without streaming and then 90 with streaming. Now, if you guys want a video on what like I use for my stream settings, I can also do that too. So yeah, just let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna put out this video, and then so I got at the beginning, the very first video shows, you know, that I run on low settings, shows my sensitivity and all that other stuff. And then the next two clips after that just shows like little clips that I got on stream. By the way, if you guys aren't following my Twitch, like, what are you guys doing? I'm gonna need you guys to, you know, come through and follow my Twitch, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, I put this at the end of the video because, you know, it's the longest segment, and, you know, at least you guys see what it looks like first, and then, you know, you can see. Anyway, stay active, guys. More content's gonna be coming out. I'm gonna do the CSGO next. That's gonna be my next video, CSGO. I got 3 clips on CSGO, you know, that I got. And after that, yeah, I'm gonna try to put more videos out for you guys. I'm sorry about being inactive. But anyway, thanks so much for all the love and support that I get, honestly. Appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And I'm active.